from now on, whenever you get hiccups, you'll remember me and thank me. Because today I am going to explain you a very easy technique which I am using from past 10 years. By using this technique, you'll get rid of hiccups within 30 seconds or less. So for this technique, you'll need a bottle of water or a glass of water. You just have to keep drinking water in very slow sips. You have to maintain a stream of water like this until you get rid of your hiccups. Remember, don't take big sips of water because you have to continue this until you get rid of your hiccups. And you don't have to breathe in between or take breaks. If you stop drinking water in between, this technique won't work. So